Here's how to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription in 2026, step by step. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into the account that has YouTube Premium. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Purchases and Memberships. Here, you'll see your active YouTube Premium subscription. Tap on YouTube Premium to open the details. Now tap Cancel Membership. YouTube may show you a few confirmation screens. Just keep tapping Cancel to confirm. Once canceled, you'll still have premium benefits until the end of your billing period. After that, it won't renew automatically. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your YouTube Premium subscription. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech guides.